What?
What are you doing?
Getting pretty.
It needs a lot more than that.
There's Shania here. What else is new? Alright, so took it off. We wanted to verify that the master itself was good. So we usually have little bleeder lines like this made up with different fittings so we can just do it. It's way better than trying to use the crappy ones when you buy a new master and it's the plastic and it's just shit. What a dump.
This place is a dump.
It is a dump, but it's our dump. So we're just verifying that the master itself operates, and you can see out of both ends it's operating perfectly fine. So I think a lot of our problem is throw. You know what I mean? Because look how far a screwdriver goes in. Now think about that when you go back to the booster. Oh, Mama's coming over here. So we need to kind of fill that gap. That could be another reason why your brakes sucked, other than stupid people just using one bowl. If it's only actuating a little bit, it's gonna definitely suck. But that master works perfect. So we need, like a marker right here.
No.
I'll just put my finger on it. Okay, to the flange, it's about yay. Okay. So I'll go mark this, and then I kind of have a measurement. See? Oh, look. These are awesome. These are way better than a Sharpie. Don't worry, it'll come off your screwdriver.
The screwdrivers are abused anyways.
Yeah, they're cheapies. Okay, so that's our ballpark distance. So, and that's to the edge of the outer round part of the cylinder. So, that being said, the outer round part of the cylinder touches about yay. So, look at that distance. That's why you weren't getting anything. And we already adjusted this out yesterday. So that's definitely part of the problem too. So we'll get a spacer. We'll whip up a spacer. I was trying it with 2 little nuts and it wasn't enough. So I'll come up with a little something to put in there. Let me measure this so we have length. I do want a little free play. There. All right, now we have a reference. Look at us undoing other people's horrible work
What's new?
every day. Right, Mama? Everybody else is stupid, huh? Yeah, see, Mama says so.
No.
She would never say something like that.
I've heard some of the obscene things I've heard her say.
Oh, I heard her say something earlier.
Okay.
I don't know. Are we? Rolling.
Okay, so we need to make something for a bit of a spacer. Now this, you look at that at first and go, oh, that's longer than your lines. Well, you have to remember, so that will go like that on there. So you omit that part, and that gives us that like 1/4 inch of free play still. Because if you have it tight all the time, you'll be driving along and it'll start dragging. So you want a little bit of free play. So Xander's going to take and put this end into the master. Actually, I'll probably just do it like this and then have him bring me the master and we'll slide it on. So let's do that and put it back together, and I bet we can bleed it and it'll work this time.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Great idea. But we have too much girth. Girthy.
That's all we can have.
Yeah. Hung like a tuna can syndrome. All right, so pull this off and I'll make us something that'll be this. All right, we found ourselves a spacer that'll work. So let's go ahead and put this on there, and then we will check it with the pedal. before we go further. There you go. Get your nuts, homie. Not those.
Righty tighty, lefty loose.
Sometimes. Tomato, tomato. Yay, resolving other people's terrible work. Getting it. Alright.
I see why girls like mechanics.
Yeah, duh. We're very good with our fingers. Look at you. Get that in and then have you climb in and pump it real quick.
I hate grapefruit.
Ooh, that's a fun shot. It's from the wrench's point of view. Ooh, let's do this video from the wrench's point of view, right? It's like a documentary. Or something. Alright.
Did you drop him as a kid?
Huh?
Did you drop him as a kid?
No, I certainly did not. Oh, don't be videoing me again.
It's too late, Mama. Oh, Xander. Okay, pump the brakes.
Oh. I put the grease on him.
Whoa!
I did not see that.
I was getting violated.
They weren't. Stop lying. No one's gonna believe you.
Damn. Alright, so Xander's going to give this nice and slow a couple pumps.
Oh, in the car?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my.
Wow, look at that. It's actually working out of both. Give me some more. All the way. Harder. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's actually working.
What is it?
The brake master cylinder. All right.
Opening.
It's now working out of both sides. So we'll hook our lines back up and we'll probably be able to bleed it now. Amazing.